everyone, this is Bhuvan Gaur from Bhuvan Simple Learning, and today I am just going to explain you how to write a letter in an absolutely nice manner and how many components we must use into that letter. So today I will try to explain it one by one. Let's watch the video, and please, if you feel yourself that really it is very valuable and very important video, please share it also. Thank you very much. First component is sender address. You can see that it should be into 3 or 4 part meaning. मैंने आप पहले अगर आप देख सकते हो, you can see that A70 GN Road, Mayur Vihar Phase 1, Delhi. So Delhi, after that no pin codes is written there. So definitely it is not appropriate for the letter. अगर आप अपने right hand side में देखेंगे, so you can see that this address is consist 3 part into the 3 or 4 parts. A70 GN Road, Mayur Vihar Phase 1 and Delhi. That is absolutely right, and you must write down this kind of the address in your letter. Second component is date. And in this you can see that first one 29/07 and 2020. Next one July, 29 and 2020. 29th November के बाद सीधे comma and then after 2020. So you can see these are absolutely wrong style to write down the dates in your letter. You must avoid to write down like that. First of all, I will tell you that on a right hand side you can see 29 July, then comma you have to give. उसके बाद 2020. आप अगर नीचे चलेंगे, if you will just go a little bit below, you will get that you can see on a screen that 29th December, then comma, and then after 2020. Now below you just go a little. There the 29th नवंबर को मैंने NOV लिख रहा है, यानी कि मैंने इसको क्या कर दिया, इसमें मैंने इसका एब्रीवेशन कर दिया है. जब कभी भी हम किसी भी वर्ड को एब्रीवेट करते हैं तो वी हैव टू पुट द full stop after that. So NOV abbreviate mean full stop, and then after comma we will just place and then 2020. तो बिल्कुल सही स्टाइल यही है डेट की जो मैंने बताया. राइट हैंड साइड में अपना देखिए, और जो मैंने ब्लू से लिख रखा है वो एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग है. अगर आप ब्लू में नीचे वाले में देखें 29 नवंबर, उसके बाद सिर्फ कॉमा लगा रखा, वहां पे एब्रिविएशन पॉइंट फुल स्टॉप नहीं लगा रखा, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. Third point, you can see that the receiver address. Be careful. Receiver address, the Commissioner, MCD, Delhi. You can give it all like that. Principal को लिख रहे हैं, the principal, NP Boys Senior Secondary School, Goal Market. There is no issue about this. I mean, the receiver address can be into the 2 lines, can be into the 4 lines also. That is, but you have to place first of all designation. You know, on a first line, that the same as the principal and the commissioner as written on these all address. But you just keep this point into your mind. Fourth one is subject. Not in proper complete sentence. What is the meaning of that? You will not write down any kind of the sentence that such as electricity is not properly coming in our society, so we are problem in problem. No, you will not write down. You will write down only the electricity problem in locality. In our locality, nahi, in locality. So only hint of the matter you should give, not mean entire word or sentence. Now then, salutation or greeting. जब जैसे हम dear लिखते हैं, जैसे sir लिखते हैं, so you must give it. In a personal letter, अगर आप personal letter लिख रहे हो अपने दोस्त को, you want to write down to your friends, your father, your mother, your uncle, auntie, so you will write down there dear. जहाँ हम sir लिखते हैं वहाँ पे dear लिख सकते हैं. Dear uncle, dear भैया, dear mama, you can write down and then comma. अगर आप official letter लिख रहे हैं, you can see on your screen that if you are just writing and going to write down the official address or letter, in that case what would happen? Definitely official letters are divided into 2 parts, complaint letter and editor letter. So there in these letters, in salutation you will write down the sir or respected sir. That's it. In official letter you must use sir and respected sir, है ना, in the place of dear, because dear will be used into the personal letter only. Now 6th component is the personal letter. अगर पर्सनल लेटर है, इफ यू आर राइटिंग द पर्सनल लेटर, इन दैट केस व्हाट यू विल राइट डाउन, नीड नॉट टू राइट डाउन थैंक यू. जैसे आप लिखते हो नीचे लास्ट में, आफ्टर 3 body part, you have to write down thank you. You need not to thank you in a personal letter. Personal mean to write your brother, to write your sister, to write your friends, to write your uncle, auntie. Official letter must write thanking you or thank you. Anyone one. Thanking you or thank you. Good complaint letter, you will write down thank you. Need not do thank you because you are making complaint. You did, the office did some mistakes with you. In that case, you will not write down that the thank you. Need not to write thank you for goods complaining letter. Goods complaining letter mean fridge kharab ho gaya. Definitely you are writing a letter and making complaint on this. So there you will not write down thank you in a complaint goods letter. The last component is complimentary closing. Mean yours loving, yours faithfully. तो yours loving for personal letter. जैसे आप भाई को भेज रहे हो, लास्ट में अगर आप कर रहे हो या दोस्त को भेज रहे हो तो आप लिख सकते हो योर लविंग. अगर आप कंप्लेंट लेटर लिख रहे हो या एडिटर को लेटर लिख रहे हो तो योर्स ट्रूली भी लिख सकते हो और फेथफुली भी लिख सकते हो. मैंने यहां सिर्फ फेथफुली जोड़ा है, आप ट्रूली भी इसके अंदर लिख सकते हो, योर ट्रूली. सो योर ट्रूली एज आई टोल्ड रिटर्न देयर, ट्रूली एडिटर लेटर, कंप्लेंट लेटर दोनों आ सकते हैं, योर फेथफुली और योर ट्रूली. देन आफ्टर, इसके बाद अगर लेटर टू प्रिंसिपल है तो योर ओबीडेंटली आप लिख सकते हो उसमें. योर ओबीडेंटली कौन होगा? जब व्हेन अ स्टूडेंट इज राइटिंग, व्हेन स्टूडेंट इज राइटिंग अ लेटर टू द प्रिंसिपल, और उसको वही वहां पर क्या लिखेगा? योर ओबीडेंटली. अगर यही लेटर आपके पापा लिख रहे हैं, यानी कि पिताजी लिख रहे हैं बेटे के बिहाफ पर, कहां पर? यानी कि प्रिंसिपल को, तो वहां पर योर फेथफुली लिख सकते हैं या योर ट्रूली भी लिख सकते हैं. Thank you very much. You must watch it and share it also if you like it. Thank you very much.